Hello everyone, here is technical team from ArcBro. Today we are going to show you guys the basic information about Plasma CNC control system. Press any key to reach the cutting interface. F1 is shape library. F2 is selecting files. F3 is part option. F4 is about the parameter setup. F5 is about the signal diagonals. F6 is zooming into the shape. F7 is telling about the manual mode options. F8 is close zero. This part has letters and also the numbers. The basic idea here is the numbers used to set up the scales, and the letters are used to name your files. And this yellow buttons here, the functional button is about the hotkeys. Later we will show up. And the shift is used to select the letters. Without shift, there will be numbers. And escape, enter. The arrow functions is basically used to moving the machines. The F plus and F minus will be speed up and speed down. And this is used to page down to figure out the different shapes in shape library. And we have other videos to show this part as well. And the start button is used to start the cut, and stop button is used to stop the work. That's all for today, guys. If you want to know more information about CNC cutting machine, click top to follow us.